Okay, I'm going to change my thermal switch. It's a 1982 V45 Sabre. And what I found out is that this switch doesn't go closed no matter how hot the engine gets. And I ordered a replacement switch for it. Going to put that in there. First thing you have to do, there's a bolt on top and then one down below there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll put my hand down here. I'm touching it with my index finger. So there's two bolts to loosen up. You don't have to take them clear out. And then you slide off this end plate and get that out of the way. And then your sensor comes wide open here. Mine happens to be 1 1/16 to take it off. You could drain the coolant if you wanted to. My hope is that I can unscrew it and stick the new one in there and screw it in quick. There is an O-ring that seals the sensor to the radiator. So I'm going to spin this one out quick and then put the other one in there, tighten it up, and check it out. Let's see how fast I can get this done. Hopefully not losing too much coolant. Okay, one out, one in. If I lost a 1/4 cup, I would be surprised. Okay, this takes a bigger wrench, so anyway, I'm gonna cut the video off here. Just have to snug that up, plug the wire back in, top off the coolant, and I'm ready to go.